It's time for an Amazon unboxing. And I got scissors. Let's see if I can do this. That's my Fitbit that I have on. It might take a while, but it is what it is. Aqua shorts and pink shorts. Doesn't that look familiar to you? Well, that's because it reminds me of a former duo, namely the POE duo. And as for the scissors, let's play a little silent scissors. And these two shorts, by the way, are going in here. Aqua right there and pink there. Don't mind the underwear. This package. And how about another round of silent scissors? Those are my flip flops that you see there, along with my backpack and the old shoes. Boo! What a throw! Don't forget about the hat!